not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you yesterday's PDF link in today's description. Whoever needs it can download it. If you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please do it now so that you do not miss every day's important current affairs. Let's start. What is the theme for 2018 World AIDS Day? Right to health, know your status, getting to zero, access equity rights now. The answer is B, know your status. The theme for 2018 World AIDS Day. Every year on 1st of December, World AIDS Day is observed. And now this year it is observed as 30th anniversary of the World AIDS Day. The global health campaign was first initiated by the World Health Organization in the year 1988. Now AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome caused by human immunodeficiency virus. The main aim of this day is to urge people to know their HIV infection status through testing and to access HIV prevention, treatment and care services. Now, according to World Health Organization report, around 1 million people die every year due to AIDS because they don't even know that they have HIV and aren't on treatment or start treatment too late. Around 1 in 4 people with HIV don't know that they have it. So, know your risk and know your status is the theme for this year, do remember. And red ribbon is a global symbol for solidarity with HIV positive people and those living with AIDS. What is the name of India-USA bilateral joint Air Force exercise? Malabar, Shakti, COPE India, hand in hand. The answer is C, COPE India, very important from exam point of view. This is the area questions are asked many times in many exams. You need to remember all the important joint Air Force exercises, joint military exercises and joint naval exercises. Each and every country has a different name. The COPE India is the joint Air Force exercise between Indian Air Force and the USA. The exercise will be held from 3rd December to 14th of December. COPE India exercise is being held after a gap of almost 8 years. The last exercise took place in the year 2010. So, it is very important, remember. Now, Malabar is a trilateral exercise between India, USA and Japan. Shakti is a bilateral exercise between India and France. Hand in hand is a military exercise between India and China. What is the main demand of farmers who marched to Delhi? Loan waiver, legislation to guarantee remunerative prices, guaranteed employment days under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme to 200 days, social security for farmers, all of the above. The answer is all of the above, very important for UPSC and State Public Service Commission. Now you need to know the frustration of farmers. The farmers marching towards the Parliament Street from Ramleela Maidan in Delhi on Friday. Now these are the list of demands put forth by the farmers of India. First one is the loan waiver. When government is ready to forgive 3.5 lakh crore of bad loans created by few rich people, then why can't government waive off farmers' loan? This is a question raised by many of the people and the opposition parties. The second one is the legislation to guarantee remunerative prices. Now, though the government hikes the minimum support price, many of them do not get the fair price because traders or the middlemen buy the produce at very less rates from these farmers and farmers are forced to sell their produces at these rates. So, to avoid this kind of situation, a legislation is needed in coming winter parliament session to criminalize people who buy farm produce from these farmers at very low prices. Next one is the guaranteed employment days under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme to 200 days. Now this scheme is a flagship scheme started by the UPA government. It is still alive and now The scheme runs for 100 days. It provides a wage employment in rural areas. Now farmers are demanding to increase it to 200 days. Social security for farmers. At least 5,000 per month per farmer above the age of 60 and health coverage is demanded by them. So remember all these list of demands, very important. When did Paris Agreement took place? 2016, 2015, 2017 or 2018? The answer is B, 2015, very important from environment topic. Now what is the main aim of Paris Agreement? The long-term goal is to decrease the global average temperature or to maintain the global average temperature to below 2 degrees centigrade. Now under this Paris Agreement, each country must determine, plan and regularly report the steps to mitigate the global warming. Now India is signatory to Paris Agreement and it is committed to this agreement. India says Paris Agreement cannot be renegotiated. That means no need to change the original agreed terms. Earlier US had opted out of this Paris Agreement. So very important, Paris Agreement of 2015. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Boutros, Kofi Annan, Antonio Guterres or Ban Ki-moon? The answer is C, Antonio Guterres, the current Secretary General of the United Nations. He is from the Portugal. A very important question asked many times in many exams. So remember the name. Narendra Modi meets the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres in the G20 summit, which is currently happening in Buenos Aires of Argentina. Earlier we have discussed about G20 summit. It is a group of 20 countries. You need to know the list of world leaders representing each and every country. Narendra Modi meets Shinzo Abe of Japan, Donald Trump of USA, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman of Saudi Arabia, Xi Jinping of China, Vladimir Putin of Russia and Prime Minister of Britain Theresa May. Where are the headquarters of Amnesty International? Germany, London, New York or Paris? The answer is B, London. Headquarters of Amnesty International is in London. You need to know all the important world organizations along with the headquarters and their heads. Very important from exam point of view. Amnesty International is a London-based NGO focused on human rights. Now recently Amnesty holds protest outside the Indian mission in United Kingdom. The reason for protest is politically motivated restrictions of Amnesty India by the present government. They are asked violently and forcibly to stop its human rights work in India. Who won the World Chess Championship 2018? Vishwanath Anand, Magnus Carlsen, Fabiano Caruana or Sergei Karjakin? The answer is B, Magnus Carlsen. Very important, he won the World Chess Championship title 2018. He is from the country Norway, the Norwegian chess grandmaster and the current world chess champion, born on 30th of November 1919. He is just 28 years old, defeated Fabiano Caruana in the finale. This is his 4th world title in just 5 years. So remember Magnus Carlsen, the current world chess champion. India's first International Indigenous Film Festival will take place in 2019 in which of the following states? Odisha, Kerala, Delhi or Goa? The answer is A, Odisha. India's first International Indigenous Film Festival will take place in the state of Odisha in Bhubaneswar in February 2019. This is an initiative by the activist film collective called Video Republic. It showcases the film made by indigenous people or made by non-indigenous filmmakers in collaboration with indigenous communities. Let's see the quote for the day. Be patient, some things take time. So remember always to be patient in life because great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend. See you tomorrow. If you like my videos, mention your views in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.